Closing the eyes and connecting into the breath, taking a few nice deep low belly inhales and exhales, allowing all of your vital energy to return to you at this time, and taking a moment to ground at the feet and down through the root chakra in preparation to cleanse and clear your chakra system from the inside out. As you get really grounded, feeling into the back of the body, all the places that are touching a surface, beginning to notice your breathing, regulating, and this wonderful sense of relaxation coming over the body. And as you connect more into your body, starting to get a visual of the center line that runs down the body vertically, from the top of the head all the way down to the pubic bone, and just seeing and feeling the emergence of a gentle golden zipper that starts at the center of the crown of the head and goes straight down through all 7 chakras, through the third eye. That zipper comes down the throat, all the way down to the root chakra at the base of the spine. And starting to really visualize this golden zipper as it begins to appear and glow at the center part of the body, having the awareness that we are getting ready to open up this zipper to allow us to be able to cleanse and clear the inside parts of the chakra system. And when you're ready, right at the very top of the center of the crown of the head, starting to notice the tag of the zipper appearing. And when you're ready, you can take your little psychic hand in your mind's eye, grabbing a hold of that zipper and beginning to bring it all the way down the front of the body. So unzipping down this midline all the way to the root chakra, starting to open up this center area of the body, going through all 7 chakras. As you open this zipper up, noticing about 2 to 3 inches of space that begin to open in the center part of the body. And you may already start to feel energy cleansing and releasing. So sometimes when we unzip and the chakras are very packed in tight, they already start to sort of volcanically remove the energy, bring it up and out of the body. You are also welcome to take your little psychic hand and sort of dip your psychic hand into these chakra areas very gently, scooping up and scooping out any stuck or trapped energies. And these could look all kinds of different ways. It could look very muddy. It could look like you're pulling big rocks or clods of dirt out of the inner parts of the chakra. You could be pulling out webs of energy, cords, anything that your system visually and iconically is giving you, allowing yourself to gently scoop in. We don't want to tug or pull, so we're just allowing the things to come up and out that are ready to go. You are also welcome to envision an infinite water pitcher of white light energy that you can just pour into the center part of the body, kind of washing, cleansing, and clearing energy out. This is particularly helpful if you are aware that you have wounds that are sitting in these energy centers, just like you would gently wash a wound as though you're preparing to bandage it so it can heal. You can wash any of these wounds that the energy body may be carrying, allowing that energy to come up and out. Additionally, as you pour this white light energy into each of the centers of these chakras, you are revitalizing and filling those chakras up with white light, bright energy. allowing these energy centers to also be refilled. So all 7 chakras fill up with buoyant, loving, revitalizing white light. Being with this as long as you would like. When this feels complete, you're going to find the tag of the zipper there at your root chakra. And you are gently going to zip that zipper all the way back up through all 7 chakras, up to the top of the crown where it started. So we are resealing the energy body up so it doesn't stay open and so that everything can continue to heal. Once that zipper gets to the top of the head, you'll just start to gently notice that golden zipper becoming invisible again, just transparently tunneling itself back into the physical body so that when you look at your body again, no zipper is visible. And then taking a few nice, deep, refreshing inhales and exhales, feeling any subtle or significant shifts or changes in your stamina, your vitality, your energy, your emotional mood. And when you are ready, you'll gently open your eyes, refreshed, healed, and ready to begin or move on with your day.